So looking at the currency strength chart, the strongest is the Japanese yen, whilst the weakest is the pound. So we are seeing Germany's DAX hitting all-time high, last up 0.44%.
What's up guys, Trader CJ. This is a London session, so 4 minutes past the UK London Open. Got some volatility here. See, a spike. Show on the chart as well. Had a big rally this morning. The Asia session morning. Slightly sideways and then early morning we had a rally up to here. UK opened. It's that's 200 points with upside. Currently we get the sell-off here. Let's see the buyers stepping in. Sellers, oh, apologies. The sellers are stepping in here from here, like this 560 area down to 540. Could have taken a short. Haven't done it. Then this chart is similar. The NQ, the MNQ, 1 minute time frame. Trading off these, take profit, trade a profit firm using TradeZero. My execution is on this side. See this whole sell-off here from last 1, 2, 3, 5, almost 6 minutes. Okay, Delta is the top one here. That is showing the difference between buyers and sellers within that minute. Currently it's showing have more sellers than buyers. That's the amount of contracts that are being sold. Closed, that 1 minute candle closed. Closing with a 36 negative delta. And this is the maximum and minimum. This one is showing the book map. Just showing limit orders in the market. See, that's 26 contracts sitting at the price of 21,536. There's 26 contracts lying on the offer side. There's a bid that came in at 29, 25 contracts. The rest, light blue, is smaller contract sizes being traded. You can see that's the limit orders on the depth of market. Bubbles, red bubbles, showing big sellers hitting those bids, for example, and you can see it went through that liquidity price at 525. And open up a bit here. Every single price, almost every single price, there would be some stagnant orders lying in the market waiting to be filled. Either it's buy orders or sell orders. Currently it's trading with the best buyer, best bid is at this green one here, 522, 523s. The red line is showing the best offer, so it's this one here, best seller market. If you want to buy at a specific price, let's say 500, and put it in a order at 500 and wait for the market to come to you. It's a limit order. And the upside, if you want to sell, you put in a price, for example, let's say 550, somewhere here. Currently it's trading here at 522s. You put in a limit order to sell. You hit at market, get the best price. Best buyer, 521, best seller, 522 almost. So it's a bit of a spread. Nothing happening in the middle. Where the trading is happening up and down, up and down. It's filtering the size here. 5 is showing the actual trades that happen in the market greater than 5 contracts. It's not showing so far. Take away the filter. I'm going to show everything, every single contract that's being traded. So red, sellers being sold in the market, green is being bought in the market. I try to filter it, look for the big guys in the market. Okay, I'm only looking at the bigger players in the market because we need to trade with them. So here we can see there's a great sell because every single candle showed a negative delta. So now it's turning around. Do we buy? Do we see a bit of a bounce here? See delta, the previous candle closed at 25, positive 25 contracts. You can see there's some buyers, big buyers stepping in here for the last minute or so. Delta is not as green as it can be. Like that's the decision making you need to make. So do we take a long, hope for some more buyers to come in because we have some small buyers? If everything's working on my side, can take a small long, for example, look for more buyers to come in. There's the last 1, 2, 3 candles. There we go. See, we've taken that long, for example, at 25. Now it's moving up to 32s. We trade with momentum. It can be choppy, so that's the tricky part. Bit of an explanation what's happening here. Price here on this chart, price here on this depth of market, the price here on this book map or depth of market surface, they call it. Same price, same market, just showing different information. Currently delta is showing -10. More selling happening at this price, 530s, 527s. More selling happening. So we take -40. So liquidity lying at, you can see, okay. Bit too slow to get that entry. 525s, 10 points in it. The 515 level got filled. Alright, there's like 39 contracts on the bid lying there, and it traded. That big red bubble is showing 29 contracts that traded at that level. So someone hit that limit, buy limit. 29 contracts, one shot, and then the rest. Let's see, 5 diamond sales as well. You can see there's 32 contracts that went through there. 15, it's still dropping. Negative delta. Market's coming down a bit here.
I just wanna be the one you love. I can't stop myself from thinking of you. All I know is close
Need to get ready to trade here. Buyers stepping in. Table. Pennies. Positive, slightly positive delta here. I'm not sure if it will continue. Had some sellers there as well. Have some liquidity at 500. Slightly positive there. Two delta. Okay. I'll try and figure out which way to go, short or long. Buyers.
So just a reminder for the first earnings today at 5:55 a.m. Eastern Time to get United Health. 768 billion.
Order filled.
Estimated EPS for United Health is $6.71 and revenue is $101.68 billion.
Higher. Upside. Likely in the money. Yeah. Real must stop. Liquidity here at 23s. I'm at somewhere there. Break even on my stop. I'm along at. Oops. Could have taken 25s here. Not really in the money as much. 49.50s on the
order filled.
Bang something here. Just wanna see some profit. Positive. That's, well, we had positive delta the last 2-3 minutes. What will happen here? So this is a bit of a pullback.
I was playing at Avalon, I was taking shots like Avedon. It was the era before the phone, so a party photographer tagged along. Neon beams was flashing, the DJ played
the trade here. At positive trade. Long at 17.5. Out at 25. 150. Delta is still positive, or slightly positive, and
night service, Saturday mass, night service, Saturday mass. All the nights with stained glass, and the future see the past. Night service.
contract went through at 25 to 8 long side. Could have taken that break maybe. Taken a long there. I didn't take that, right? Focus here. So we've seen a sell-off from the UK Open, London Open, and then the small bounce here. Showing some buyers stepping in. So I just need to get an idea. Are we going to go up again, or is it is that it for the bounce? Do we get another sell-off? Like 50 points, the market came down, and then this recovery of like 20, 30 points, a bit of a small pullback. Let's see, according to turn. Negative 20 delta, yeah. Minus 30. Hold it, yeah. Minus 20s. Showing some bullishness here. $35 delta, $34 delta. Thinking of putting a bid in.
Order filled.
I'm long.
Stop filled.
Okay. Cut it. Not looking great. I'll just re-enter. Get a better opportunity or better indication of which way the markets want to go. So long. Okay. Let's keep quiet and let's see what the market gives us. You see sellers or buyers. Some sellers here. Pretty even, the buyers and sellers. Even still. Housing can be a bit quiet during the London session and always get big moves, so need to be patient. Get a breakout to the top side here. Very tempted. Go for a long.
Order filled.
Maybe we can get a push higher. So it's slightly 20. Delta showing positive 20. Would be great to get a push higher. Go. Some momentum. Need a more buyers in the market. Been an offer up there somewhere at like that.
Stop filled.
Out. At a nice couple of points, almost 10 points in the money, and then it flipped. Sometimes I just take scratch trades, taking small losses, small cuts, and then market really goes, it will find some opportunity. So I want to force something. Currently it's showing slightly
So we also in commentary from Israel
Negative
PM's
price
office.
action.
Hamas is reneging on agreed upon points. So Hamas is reneging on agreed upon points. Commentary that Hamas is creating last-minute crisis that prevents the deal.
testing that low at 505. the market wants to continue
Because
lower.
you're saying that the cabinet will not convene until Hamas
This is weird.
accepts all the
this
points.
price action is took out the low there, or that small liquidity level, and then flipped, buying everything back.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
$50 on the delta. $7, trying to buy somewhere at a price. Finds. Missed it. Reason why I missed it, I put in a bid. Should have taken just lifting the offer, lifting the ask price, taking at markets, but I didn't take it. Again, showing signs of bullish action. Gonna be long. Take it. Be long. Wait for the price to come back a bit, and then hopefully we get another signal or sign. Go long. I don't want to chase the price up there. Get a better entry price possible.
Order filled. Order filled.
That long. Doesn't look great because I got pulled in this drop here. Wasn't the idea. Got lucky for this delta to come in. For this these buyers that are back in. So took it off. Got lucky. Not the best trade. Worked out well. Fine. Come out. Had some sellers here. 527, 528 area. Same amount of buyers and sellers almost. It's basically in this area. 28 to 30, 530 area. It's pretty even. They are fighting. See, the buyers are trying to push it higher here. Guys lifting the offers. Popping. Taking out that liquidity at 535. Check something on news. We have retail sales this afternoon. Oh, sorry. Morning, 8:30 afternoon for myself. Unemployment claims as well. So everything 8:30 for the US Open. An hour before that, we have that retail sales and unemployment claims. You guys, yeah, on Forex Factory. Go. High impact news. Market's gonna move. Are they forecasted values or data? Then we've got the actual that's gonna come out at that specific time, Eastern Central Time. Change the date here, your time zone, and then you can watch the market. The US dollar is going to move, so impacting everything US related. These are the medium impact, low impact news data. Check out Forex Factory every single morning before you trade. Just be aware of those news events. Every single day you have data. want to quickly step out. I'll be back shortly.
Making up for teenage crime. Real people settle down. We don't waste no precious time. All my friends see the loot. Making up for teenage crime. Making up for teenage crime.
When a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gon' bring that attitude home. Who don't wanna do nothing with their life? When a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gon' bring that attitude home. Who don't wanna do nothing with their life? When a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gon' bring that attitude home. Who don't wanna do nothing with their life? When a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gon' bring that attitude home. Who don't wanna do nothing with their life? When a fire starts to burn, right, 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 fire starts to fire starts to fire 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 fire
Order filled.
I'm in long. Hoping for currently slightly in the money. Chase it upwards. Ready to exit if the market doesn't give me eyes there. $41 on the delta, 39 on delta. Like in the money. I'm break even. Manage everything here. Want to take some profit. Some of it. Right. Don't want to give back too much.
Order filled.
out there. Almost 10 points.
I don't wanna be alone without you. I just wanna be the one you love. I can't stop myself from thinking of you. All I know is close and close enough. I wanna feel you on my skin, wanna touch you. Feel so near, wanna lose my innocence. All I know is I want you. All I know is I want you back. All I know is I want you. All I know is I want you back. All I know is I want you. All I know is I want you back. All I know is I want you. All I know is I want you back. All I know is I want you. All I know is I want you.
So at 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we do get ECB's Patsalida speaking. At the same time, we get Italian HICP final. Year-on-year, forecast 1.4% on the prior 1.4%. Month-on-month, the prior 0.1%. Italian CPI final, year-on-year, on the prior 1.3%. Month-on-month, on the prior 0.1%.
Through cerulean hue, praise plays comes into view. Chants fill up the room. Strange sounds underneath the moon. Hands raised to the roof. Gray slate under black boots. Best friend you never knew. Miracles coming out the blue. Circle dance like a Quaker. Brings me right back to the pit. I search for a savior. Never know when this is it. Preaching to the congregation. Club burning up. Conflagration. Bread and wine. Consecrated. Let's have a conversation. At night service.
Order filled.
Night service. Saturday mass. All the nights will stained glass. In the future, see the past. Night service. Saturday mass. Night service.
Stop filled.
I was taking shots like Avedon. It was the era before the phone, so a party photographer tagged along. Neon beams was flashing. The DJ played the rapture. Saw the lights reflected rays. She was dressed like Chloe Sevigny. Met her on the 7th day of tour. It was going awful. On the road with 12 apostles. Out there trying to spread the gospel. Started missing daylight. Knew I had to stop raving. Woke up, came back to life, got reincarnated. At night service, Saturday mass. Night service, Saturday mass. All the nights with stained glass. In the future, see the past. Night service, Saturday mass. Night service, Saturday mass. Night service, Saturday mass. All the nights with stained glass. In the future, see the past. Night service, Saturday mass.
Order filled. Order filled.
With 5 minutes to go until we expect to hear from ECB's Pat's leader speaking. Also Italian HICP. Final year-on-year. Forecast 1 spot 4% on the prior 1 spot 4%. Month-on-month on the prior 0.1%. CPI final. Year-on-year on the prior 1 spot 3%. Month-on-month on the prior 0.1%.
Okay. We still see some bias in the market. I'm long slightly. Waiting for a break for 50. 50 might break. Seems like we can see some liquidity up there at 50. But yeah, still showing positive delta last couple of candles, although we got a bit of a pullback. I'm not sure. Do we get this break here? Someone's selling there. 11 contracts, 6 contracts, pushing delta back. Okay, get some buyers. Let's go for that break of 50. Let's go, market. Am trailing. If it doesn't break, I want to be out. Positive delta 32s.
Seen German Vice Chancellor
Buyers
on the Gaza
trying to
ceasefire
push higher.
and his deal, saying now everything must be done to turn this deal into a reality.
Trying to be patient, wait for this break. Not really happening. Buyers are stepping in, but not really pushing the price higher.
Order filled.
Okay. Didn't happen, so for now. Okay, so maybe we see some buyers trying the upside. Try and stick another long possible.
Order filled.
Seeing China RC raise gas price by 340 yuan
Again.
per ton
Long.
on January 17th.
Order filled.
1 minute ago, I will be leaving with Italian HICP final year on year.
Okay, stop. So, delta positive, looking alright. Just need some more buyers. Currently along at 42s. Around that level. Currently a bit choppy. Don't like it. Keeping it
Order
tight.
Stop filled.
That was the initial idea. Be long. Stopped. Now it's pushing higher.
Order filled.
Order filled.
So seeing Sina Hamas official saying that the group is committed to a ceasefire agreement announced by mediators according to statement.
Need some clear.
Italian HICP final year on year 1 spot
What's the
4%,
delta?
1 spot 4% as expected.
Really going up. Interesting.
Month on month 0 spot 1%, 0 spot 1%.
This buyers dipping in 62 delta. That's flipping.
Stop filled.
Order
Okay.
filled.
CPI month on month final 0 spot 1%, 0 spot 1%.
Choppy
Year on year
candles.
1 spot 3%, 1 spot 3%.
Getting it right. Missing a couple of things. Big sellers now. Guys, I'll be back shortly. Market came down from 528 to 510-ish area. Slightly bearish on the delta side of it. Let's take a step forward.
Order filled.
Happy with the price there. Nice. Okay. Negative delta. One. Trailed my
Stop filled.
height. Slightly more volatile currently as it approaches the lows of the session here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Wait for this market to go and break the lows here. So, one. Maybe get $500 here. Great. Oh. In front of 500. See some liquidity lying at 500. 30 contracts there. So might go and trade that. Got close. 502. Negative delta, slightly trailing it. Would be great. Get that 500. Get pulled there. 7 minus 27 delta.
Order filled.
Got filled. Tagged. Some of it. That's
Order filled.
okay. Now, still in it.
Order filled.
Look at that bounce. Got filled. Turn around. Back to the upside. Positive delta. We just took out the London session lows here at 505. Took out that lows. Go and test it. 500 level. And got the liquidity there as well. Now would be
Order filled.
to have a great entry. I would like to get a bit of a small pullback down get some new buyers stepping in, taking a long, and I stop below the lows of 5, let's say 497-ish area. We need confirmation. We need a signal from the buyers. Need a bit of a better price. Closer to 510 maybe.
Voice news disconnected.
Yeah, let's see what we get around 510 zone. We get some buyers.
Cannot always be night. It cannot always be night.
Minus 25 delta, minus 27 delta. This pullback here. Do we buy? I don't see it in the volume. I don't see any buyers stepping in currently. Trying to be patient. Wait for a confirmation.
Order filled.
Four contracts at 12.5. You get 50 contracts there, sitting there. Now taken out. Long.
Order filled.
I'm long. Okay. Higher. Good. 127 on delta. Positive. Need some move top side. Continuous buying would be great. It's pretty much flat. It went up to 15. It's up to 15. It's follow through. the market to move away from this level from mine. Go and test something higher. So almost 10 points in the money. Ooh, my stop closer. Thinking about taking my 10 points. See that price.
Order filled.
Holds. Some of it. Testing that 520 level. Will need to manage my long here. This was still have some on. Don't like delta minus 16, minus 20. Got some selling here at 520 area. Minus 13 ish. Try to pop above 520. Don't see any liquidity up there as a draw point.
Order filled.
Fold at 520 some more. Patience. See if we get flats on delta, slightly moving down here. Interesting how the market in the morning, early morning London session doesn't really move more than 10 points or so at a time, so it's a bit of a move like 10 points and then it stops. Those buyers, sellers stepping in there. And then 5 points away, and then again 10 points maybe.
Order filled.
Flushing there. Back 10 points. 520s. Again, testing that midpoint. Quickly mute here and be back shortly.
Voice news disconnected.
Slow it down. I might tell you to go a little faster. I might tell you
Back at it.
to try something I've never seen before.
See some buyers.
But I won't ever tell you to
All buyers. Okay.
stop.
Order filled.
Okay, so we took that long. Sure. Too close to this 500. I don't like the fact that we are so close to 500. So sometimes the market wants to go and test those even numbers like 500 and well, I still took it because of this Delta showing some positive signs here and see some buying here. I took the trade, but not as confident. Was slightly in the money. Was in the money. So close to +17, +19, +20s. Level 15. If we go to the upside. It. Okay. Pretty flat on Delta currently. He buys in the market. Out.
Order filled.
Loss. Full scratch trade. Testing this 500s again. I'm selling. Liquidity there at 495. Slightly.
So 5 minutes to go now until we get the Bank of England credit conditions survey.
Ideas to trade with the momentum, with the guys, with the big guys, institutional buyers and sellers. Try to trade with them. Okay, like this push higher. That's the initial idea. Be long. I saw a couple of buyers here. Now we see nice through. Be long somewhere.
Order filled.
took something on the bid.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get some follow through with the buyers. Like I said previously, there is a offer at 15, 25, 3 contracts, 22 contracts now, so it's not a big offer, not a big ask. Buying and selling happening. Lightly positive delta. Was positive. So
Stop filled.
best price action here around 500.
Order filled.
Have a low here at 497. Previous low. Tested low here at 97. Go. Nice indication on a short here from the last three minutes or so. See negative 21s, minus 17, minus 6 contracts here. Everything's showing. Others are stepping in. Trying to push it lower. I'm always keen on taking shorts, but works. Let's see what the market's going to give us here.
Voice news disconnected.
There's expected availability of mortgages to increase in the next 3 months, according to the Bank of England survey.
traveling somewhere, could be anywhere.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
We drift deeper, life goes on. We drift deeper.
Also, in the UK lenders expect demand for mortgages to decrease in the next 3 months.
Nice move lower. Got some liquidity, 480s. Traded through it. $21 contract there, sitting there. Did at 470s. The one I said was 78.5. Got 21 contract sitting there. The opposite. Still negative delta. Last 6 minutes. Downtrend. Might turn around somewhere. Patient and wait for a bounce back. Get it. Get along.
We have
somewhere.
posted out the Bank of England
Possible.
Credit Conditions and Liability Survey.
Obviously
The survey's
shorts are
on the
working
Financial
great,
News
yeah.
feed free to read through.
Buyers. Buying. Down. Kind of spotty. The better moves. I didn't take this short from 500 basically. Minus 55 on Delta. Last 1 minute. Get a buy somewhere. Better.
Order filled.
A bit along.
Order filled.
If that works. This can. Okay. Get a higher. T. Seem like they want to continue buying here. Wanted to have a slightly bigger bounce, like 10 points or so would have been nice. Get that. Got 6 points, oh well, 6 or 7, 5 or 6 points. Flat on Delta. Trying to find some bids. Full negative.
Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
At the 460 level. See some buyers.
Order
buying,
filled.
yeah. I took it. 82 bit, 82 delta. Ish. Doing some offers to the top side. Went long 63.5. Will we get another push higher? Delta slightly bullish this last minute. Plus 16 on Delta, plus 20.
Order filled.
Wanting to go for some, taking some off here at
Order filled.
28, taking some off. Front of 80, maybe we can get 80. Fast bit.
Order filled.
Some off here. Didn't take out that 80. Check, yeah. Only 17 contracts flashing there. Sitting there. Yeah, 17 on the offer, so it's not a big offer. Big ask. Right. Full hit.
Order filled.
Flat on Delta. Getting a pullback. Now the decision making would be to, is this the pullback where you gonna not where you buy? So it's not, so it took out that those lows.
blue, cerulean hue. Praise plays comes
Voice
in the
news
view.
disconnected.
Chants fill up the room. Strange sounds underneath the moon. Hands raised to the roof. Gray slate under black boots. Best friend you never knew.
Another long here.
Circle dance like a Quaker.
30 on Delta. Positive.
I search for a savior. Never know
27s.
preaching to the congregation club.
Previous long I took here. Like,
Consecrated, let's have a conversation at night service. Saturday mass. Night service. Saturday mass.
slightly positive.
All the nights with stained glass in the future.
Ready.
Night service.
Get
Saturday mass.
opportunity to buy.
Saturday mass. Night service.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Night service. Saturday mass.
I'll stop below the low.
Night service.
Slightly positive. Reason I'm saying slightly is because it's not like showing a 100 or so contracts on the
I was playing at Avalon. I was
get
taking
something
shots
out
like
of it.
Avedon. It was the era before the
Upside.
phone, so party photographer tags along. Neon beams was flashing.
Order filled.
Played the rapture. Saw the lights
Okay.
reflected rays. She was dressed like Chloe Sevigny. Met her on the 7th day of tour. It was going off.
Order filled.
With 12 apostles out there trying to spread the gospel. Started missing daylight.
Taking off at
Knew I had to stop racing.
67s.
Cup came back to life, got reincarnated.
We have
Night
here
service, Saturday mass, night service,
67s on the
all the nights with stained glass and the future see the past. Night service, Saturday mass, night
Order
service,
filled.
566 area.
mass, night service, Saturday mass, all the nights with stained glass and
Plus
the future
16 on Delta.
Saturday mass.
Have some more on. Right, to pick a have the bottom here and the market's moving back to 500, right? Take off everything back to 500. Always the case. Have the bottom. You have positive candles here. Well, not positive candles, positive delta. Candles, yeah, this candle was slightly red. We have positive delta, so buyers are trying to stay in control,
Order filled.
taking it off as it goes higher. Okay.
Order filled.
In here, 7 trade size, 9 contracts went through there, and 5 contracts, 9 and 7 that being sold at full.
Order filled. Order filled.
Too much. Pressed the wrong button, sold too many contracts. At 74s. Maybe it works out well. It's been difficult. I agree, the price action has been difficult. Not sure what methods are you using, Bunny? What methods are you using to read the price
filled.
action? I know some guys or some traders use just candlesticks. people use the book map, will use like footprint charts like this, left. People just trading right from the depth of market, but it hasn't been easy. Yesterday morning had better trades yesterday morning. I think the morning was before the CPI data. Was slightly better price act. Now it's morning after CPI. Market's trying to find a place to trade where is fair. What's fair? Also down, it's my trades. Still slightly down for the day. I've taken great trades, yes, but I've taken this thing this morning. I've took some losses. Hey. I was still sitting long from 58.
That's just how it goes. Rising up, right until we fall. Reaching in the dark, nothing's there to touch. I wish I could love.
Voice news disconnected.
Back. We're up 80 delta, positive delta. Now we're down 26, like 100-point difference. Selling pressure here on the delta side, well, on the price action, like contracts being sold, but the price of move down. Trying to fight it back. Higher. But a bid sitting at 76. Three contracts on bid. No yet pulled. Most probably trade that. It'd be nice to get in short, like a quick short, and then take profit here. High probability trade. This thing to smash this 76. Fuck, the Nasdaq likes take out liquidity like this. Few contracts sitting at 76. See what happens. There.
Also, reminder at the top of the hour, we get the Italian trade balance EU and Italian international trade balance. Italian trade balance EU prior minus 0.660 billion, and Italian international trade balance prior 5.153 billion. Also, a reminder, we do have United Health at 5:55 AM Eastern Time.
Seems I can't deny. Some days just don't feel right. I think I feel much better at night. Seems I can't deny. Some days just don't feel right. I think I feel much better at night. Seems I can't deny. Some days just pass me by. You know I feel much better at night.
5 minutes ago, to get the Eurozone trade balance data, CAC adjusted forecast 11.5 billion prior 6 billion, NSA trade balance prior 6.8 billion. Also, we've already mentioned the trade balance data we'll be getting from Italy as well.
Interesting how that level is not getting filled. Order. Sitting there. Actually holding. One time when I spotted, doesn't want to take a short around 83-ish for this drop. I didn't take it. Maybe target just before 26. Now there's nothing in it. 51 bid, 53 on the bid, holding. Actually,
One minute to go now. We're dealing with the trade balance season adjusted for the Eurozone. Ten seconds. $12.9 billion, $12.9 billion, higher than forecast of $11.5 billion. Trade balance NSA $16.4 billion, $16.4 billion. Prior being revised for the season adjusted trade balance to $7 billion from the original prior of $6.1 billion.
drop there from breaking that 76.
So Italian trade balance coming through. EU minus 1.816 billion, minus 1.816 billion. Italian international trade balance 4.218 billion, 4.218 billion.
Okay, so Delta is trying something top side, trying to buy, well, full buyers you see in the market. 29, 30, 6, Delta. Right to get it in on something. Is bracelet. Pull back there. Minus 29. Delta minus 29. Minus 40. Minus 38 on Delta. Was thinking of going long, but now I don't see it. Wait for confirmation or wait for some buyers to step in and then possible long. Risking the lows. Minus 27, minus 26. Trying to find some buyers in the market here. Have 54.5 as the low here. Previous low. Breaking lows. Minus 52 on Delta. Minus 32, minus 29.
Tracking your location.
Find something here as
Analyzing biometrics.
see some buyers trying.
Customizing your experience.
Haven't taken a long race short now, so
Liquid Lab.
only seen that short up there at 80 or 76. Time when I've seen some shorts.
Speech to the young. Speech to the progress tour. Say to them. Say to the downkeepers, the sun slappers, the self-soilers, the hominy hushers. Even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night.
50. What's up? Hands.
It cannot always be night.
Bit. Try 50 on there.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Taking something alongside. Okay. All bounce. Plus 20, slightly in the money. Just move up. Plus 26, 25s. Out. Plus 33 on previous candle closed. Now it's top is below the low. Gonna stop. Slightly in the money. Plus 24. Up to 59. All bounce. Get
Order
some more
filled.
buyers in the market. First,
Order filled. Order filled.
picking up something here at 63, 64.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay. Off something here at
Order filled. Order
8.
filled.
Get some more buyers, 69s. Trade it. Big sellers there. Hitting those bids there at 60, 62s, 63s. That's why Delta is negative, minus 55 because of that. Those guys hitting the bid. It depends if they want to keep on selling here. Turn around and then move back down. Watch Delta. Let's watch the buyers and the sellers. That is hitting those bids. So it's a lot of selling happening here at 65. Or it can also be a short. Short at 65, for example, and risk at 70. Yeah. Because I'm still long, so I would rather be long. Take off some more. Take off more.
Order filled.
Hopefully the see more buyers. Plus 40 on 42. Holding on. Take off something here at just before 80. 79s. I can get that price. 61s on the delta, showing some buying pressure. And flat on delta. Picking up. Didn't get my 79s.
Voice news disconnected.
The market's coming down here from 77 to 70 on low volume. Okay, there we go. That's bigger volume. Went through. Vibes.
Tell you to slow it down. I might tell
Push
you
back
to
up.
go a little faster. And I might tell you to try something I've never seen before.
74.
But I won't ever tell you to stop.
Plus 40 on delta. Some buyers. Ones. Could be. Okay, there's some buyers lifting those offers at 79s. Okay. Would have taken another long here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
According to witness, explosions heard in Kyiv amid air raid alert.
Order filled.
Protect your trades from
I'm
macro
out
headline risk with
at
Financial
trade
Juice Pro.
from
Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
So hoping to target 500, but I'm just taking this 90 or well, like 89, 88 area. I'm happy. 35 points last contract. So and hey guys, I'm gonna stop with this stream here. I'm you guys later this afternoon, well, later morning, depending on where you live, for the US session. We've got unemployment claims 8:30 Eastern Central Time, and then we've got also the retail sales. Yes, retail sales, unemployment claims. So just watch out for the market's going to move then at that time. And that is it from my side. I don't mind. Hit the like button. I would appreciate it. Even subscribe if you want to. That is it. If you want to know some more stuff about order flow and footprint charts, bookmap, common sales, those type of things, let me know. We've got a Discord channel as well. More than welcome to ask some questions there as well, and even in the comments below. But guys, all the best for the rest of the day or rest of the morning. See you later. Cheers.
Travel